Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Large luxury has always been the name of the game for Cadillac, but it's not quite the flagship XTS sedan proves that the company is no longer at the head of the pack for land yachts. There is an available twin-turbocharged V6 that provides the kind of wafting power we desire from executive cruisers, and there are plenty of luxe features in the upper trim levels. But despite its general elegance, the XTS can't come close to the opulence and refinement of the king of this particular jungle, the Mercedes-Benz S-class. By offering its wares at a much lower price than Mercedes, and holding on to some of the brand magic that makes the XTS more desirable than the similarly priced Genesis G90, Cadillac makes its case. The XTS is a credible option for broad-based luxury that will please buyers in search of some status and style, but not so much that they'll need a second mortgage to afford it. Highs. More affordable than competitors, powerful V-Sport model, plush interior. Loss. Dynamically uninteresting, competitors offer more rear seat space, no standard active safety technology. Verdict. The XTS is a competent and relatively affordable retirement cruiser, but it can't truly compete with the best in this class. What's new for 2018? The XTS's design was slightly tweaked for 2018, with changes to both the front and rear ends, including LED head and taillights and a new grille. Those changes brought the XTS's overall length down by a little more than an inch. New tires for both the 19 and 20-inch wheels are intended to improve ride comfort and reduce road noise, and the XTS's Q infotainment system received updated software and access to various cloud-based apps. Trims and options we'd choose. We prefer the XTS V-Sport's 410 horsepower twin-turbo V6 powertrain to the standard 304 horsepower V6. That raises the cost of our XTS considerably, but at $73,490 it's still many thousands cheaper than its German rivals. The V-Sport comes standard with all-wheel drive in place of the standard front-wheel drive setup and includes the following features. Adaptive cruise control with automated front and rear emergency braking. Rear armrest with built-in audio and sunshade controls. 22-way massaging leather front seats. The V-Sport is the XTS's top trim level and nearly every one of the XTS's available features is included as standard, but we'd happily shell out $350 for a compact spare tire. That addition would bring the total cost of our XTS V-Sport to $73,840. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.